So striking welder's got the old Clio masked up for a bit of paint, some more primer. Not doing the whole of it. And considering it's my first time masking, I don't think I've done a bad job. So people, striking welders, Clio's looking a little better. Not finished, not perfect, but we're getting there. This side. At least now people can see it's actually being worked on. It's not just sat here. So I'm just going to finish up what little bit of a primer I've got left there. Oh yeah, there's another jerk pan or barbecue. I'll be getting cracking with that as well soon. Try and get some footage of that. But yeah, I'm just going to use the last bit of that tin, get it done, and then take the masking paper off. But I don't think I've done too bad considering it's my first time masking up. This bit was the worst bit, or the first bit, and I kind of got better as I was going along. Didn't waste as much paper. As you can see, looks a little bit tidier. But hey ho, it's getting teared off anyway, thrown away. It's done the job. Oh, this is not a final coat neither. It needs more bodywork doing, but that's what I'm trying to get it all in one colour, really. And at least it highlights where it needs doing. Again, these areas here, I think, where I've done the welding on the arches, so I think it's going to have to be filled again slightly. But it's still moving in the right direction. That's the main thing. Get the bonnet done next again as well, I think. So I'll catch up soon.